They've seen all the TV shows, they know all they need to know about the subject here we dare not name. Publicly they know it's wrong to air such prejudice in song, but privately they think we're all the same. And they say, how could you be so different from me? And yet you go around looking just the same. Your eye contact is odd, you can be an awkward sort, and when I talk to you, you fry my brain. Well, how can such intelligence and absolutely no common sense be in this one person that I see? Well, whatever you thought you meant, don't tell me you're all different, 'cause you'll always be right then to me. Well, maybe if you let me talk, we could take a little walk down this two-way street called empathy. Well, whatever facts you like to hurl, and even